What are you doing on the AI side when it comes and when we think about BI?
Actually, if you look at BI as such as a product, right? So it's a kind of a nice slot where you enable organization to bring in all the data that they are collecting into the platform, right?
Right.
So when there is data, there is always complication, but that's where AI can thrive, right? Without data, AI cannot thrive. So it naturally becomes a great fit to be there inside a BI platform,
Exactly.
right? So that's the first dimension that you have to think of. But how do we look at AI bringing inside the BI platform, right? So there are a couple of things that we try to do. One is what we call as a contextual AI, right? What it really means is we are not trying to go and complicate the users in terms of I'm bringing AI for the sake of it. No, we will make it very contextual so that the platform is empowered by the capability or
Very
power of
important.
AI, right?
Yep.
So, for example, capabilities like predictive AI, where you can do forecasting, right, trend analysis, clustering, or even anomaly detection. These are contextual AI capability that we blend inside the platform right there. That's one thing, right? The second thing is basically in terms of automated insights, where if you're looking at a report, you want to know what are the top insights that the report is trying to convey to you.
100%.
Right? Or you want to know why something is happening, what they call as diagnostic or root cause analysis. And you also want to know what type of recommendation that it can make for you to really take up actions, right? So this is another way of trying to use AI, generative AI at the back end, to generate insights automatically, not only talk about what has happened, but also talk about why something is happening and what should you do in the future to really address a problem.